Hi viewers, this is Dr. Anil Kumar from Pioneer Coaching Center of English, Gaya. I have been teaching students for competitive examinations since 1985. From today onward, I am going to launch video classes for your benefit. I hope you would like to watch them and attend them very seriously in order to have success in planning your careers. I have written some examples of common errors. You have a few sentences on the board. First one, what do you think about English? If you are asked to find out an error, I am sure you would say that there is no error. बट याद रखें एक गलती है इसमें. When the subject of any action is near a main verb, जब भी विषय मेन वर्ब के निकट हो, the preposition is always of. When the subject is away from a main verb, it is about. When there is no main verb or it is without a verb, we use about in order to show the subject. तो जब भी आप विषय को दिखाएं और आपका विषय मेन वर्ब से निकट हो तो हमेशा ऑफ का इस्तेमाल करें. यदि आपका विषय मेन वर्ब से दूर हो तो अबाउट का प्रयोग करें. यदि मेन वर्ब ना हो, वर्ब टू बी हो या उस पार्ट में वर्ब ही ना हो तो सब्जेक्ट दिखलाने के लिए, विषय दिखलाने के लिए हमेशा अबाउट का प्रयोग करें. Hence the sentence what do you think about English is not correct. The correct one will be what do you think of English. Now keep the subject away from the main verb. The nearer one will take of and the distant one will take about. Hence the sentence I think of you, not about your dress is ulta kar दें. I think of your dress, not about you. If the sentence has no main verb, the preposition will always be about, subject विषय दिखलाने के लिए. यदि main verb ना हो वाक्य में तो about का प्रयोग करें. For instance, this book is about